Hey everybody, Adina Diaz here, your skincare guru. So I just got done getting my eyebrows microbladed, and what an experience that was. So first things first, everybody out there who's interested in getting microblading, do your research. Research who you're going to, look at their portfolio, make sure they are trained properly, make sure they have experience. These things are actually really vital. This is going on your face. It's your face. So definitely do your research. It's really important. Also be prepared. It didn't tickle. So that's the truth. It's not like it's a pleasurable experience, but it's also really not that bad. If you have any tattoos, it's very similar to that. Usually the second pass, at least for me in my experience, what I just experienced, it really there was really no pain. It's more the noise than anything that actually is a little more jarring, but even then it really wasn't bad at all. So considering I just got my face microbladed, I'm feeling fine. And also just be prepared for the aftercare. If you are doing this treatment, make sure that you are prepared before. Make sure that you're prepared after. That's the best results. So you're not putting a bunch of oils on your skin. You're not going to a hot yoga class. You're not going to go hiking afterwards. You're actually going to do the right steps to take care of the results and have the best result. So there you go, you guys. Enjoy the video. I'm super excited for everyone to see this, the befores, the afters, and excuse how crazy I look. It's raining in Los Angeles. I'm detoxing. I'm doing dry January. And I'm doing no sugar, I'm doing no gluten, I'm doing no red meat, I'm doing no alcohol. Lord have mercy, I'm purging, and I just got my eyebrows bladed, so I look crazy, okay? That's why you guys love me, though. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Oh, the pigment is designed to fade. Cosmetic ink is designed to change with the beauty trends. So it shouldn't really last more than 10 years. Usually with microblading, because it's done on such a very surface level of the skin, it fades much faster. So usually within 2 years it's gone. But again, everybody's different. Somebody with super oily skin, and if they work out a lot and they use a lot of serums, their microblading might fade completely within 8 months versus somebody who's very dry. They might have it for 5 years.
What do you think of actual permanent tattooing?
To use permanent ink with a machine on somebody's
eyebrows. Yeah, because that was a big thing for a while.
Nobody knew what it looked like later, and now you see people with
purple.
Blue eyebrows or red eyebrows as it's changed colors. And the unfortunate thing is that you can't microblade over that, and oftentimes that industry they'll have blue eyebrows and they'll be uneven. And like, you just can't, they need to work on removing that before they can microblade, because you can't fix that. It's better to get, like, be patient, get it removed somehow, whether it's like a removal type of
Why
tattoo.
can't you go over it?
So one weird thing that happens is, and really the main reason is that we don't know what the microblading will look like after it heals, like when it mixes with whatever pigment is in there. Like, who knows, it could totally reject, it could turn a weird color. Like, I don't know what was used on that person.
Yeah.